Can you just describe the shul that you went to, the space of the shul, and bring yourself back there?
Oh. It was called, in English, Adath Jeshurun. Adath Jeshurun it's called in other places. A beautiful old building. I believe it's now, it was taken over by Baptists and then Unitarian communities, but a beautiful old building with an adjoining Hebrew school building. I remember the Hebrew school building was a little bit more modern in those days, and there would be a sukkah for Sukkot that was just beautiful outdoors in the yard, big and very beautiful. And the space was beautiful, kind of old, and I remember kind of golden, deep velvet. That's my memory, even if it wasn't so. There was a choir loft with the magical hidden choir, and a balcony. And sometimes they had 2 shifts on the high holidays because there's so many people. I remember sitting in the balcony sometimes, on the high holidays, or being young enough. I remember standing up in the pew on the first level when I was young, listening to the rabbi.